Good morning to all my dear friends. Good morning to all my dear friends, respected sirs, and here seated all my dear friends. So, today I am stand here to give small information about our SBS spoken class. Today is not my speech, but today I want to give small information about our SBS spoken class. So, before start to my own words, before start to my own words, I want to say about me. So, guys, I give you 10 or above 10 speeches. In that 10 speeches, you know who I am. Yes? So guys, my name is Aniket Anilraj Jadhav and my father's name is Anil Jadhav and he is a businessman. And now I am studying in 10th standard and my school name is Bal Vidya Mandir nearby Nanalpet police station. And now I am dwell in Masum Colony Dargah Road Parvani nearby our ESBS spoken class. So guys, now I am ready to talk with you. Are you ready guys? Yes. Guys, please respond to me. If you respond to me, then I feel very comfortable. Okay? So guys, since 4 months I had been coming in SBS. I had been coming to SBS and within 4 months I took so much knowledge. So much grammar. And in that 4 months I made English speaker. This thing is a miracle thing. And the reason behind of my English speaker, this is a Shafiq sir. That's why please clap for our Shafiq sir. Because in that my before speeches also I say coming to SBS, my condition is very bad. And my condition was very bad and I was very loose in English. Then after that I come in SBS. Then my English is very nice. Then I within 4 months and now I made English speaker and the reason behind of my English speaking is SBS spoken class. So guys, in that 4 months I took so much knowledge in ninth one chapter. How should construct the sentence? How should made the sentence? Passive voice, active voice, question tag. So much. This sentence is so means that how should I say? This knowledge is not get you whenever, but this knowledge is get to you only in SBS. That's why please clap for SBS spoken class. After this much, I want to stop here my subject because time is not remain. And goodbye.
Okay, Aniket, 1 minute, Aniket.
Yes, sir.
Just I want to ask you some questions.
Yes, sir.
Can you reply?
Yes.
Then, what and what grammar you learned from SBS spoken English? Please say to audience.
Yes. Why not, sir? In that 4 months, I took so much grammar. In that grammar, I learned active voice, passive voice, question tag. Means that S or es to verb, suffix S or es to verb. In that ninth one chapter, I learned how should made the sentences, how should construct the sentences, and other.
Okay. Aniket, just I want to ask you, and more of what you got the good things by the SBS spoken English. Please express your opinion to people.
Yes, sir. Before come to SBS, my condition is very bad. I also my condition was very bad. I say in speech also. So in that before coming to SBS, I means that I am very loose. I was very loose and I was very bad. But weak also. But after that I come to SBS. Then I feel very happy. I feel manly.
Means you are going very easy to English in the same English in the school in the right.
Yes, sir. Because before come to SBS, my English is very hard. School English was very hard in school. My science was very hard because my science is in the English. And if I sit in the science period, then sir teach science, but I was not understood this science. But after that I come in SBS and within 4 months I took very knowledge. Then now I supposing science is my favorite subject. Why? Because you teach to me English. That's why science is my favorite subject. That's why clap for Shafiq sir.
Thank you. And Aniket, please give some information about ninth one chapter, our spoken class border of the spoken speaking border. Yeah, ninth one chapter. What you got the knowledge about ninth one chapter? Please say to people.
Yes. Here listened all peoples because my video listened all peoples. I want to give one message. But before that, in that ninth one chapter, so much knowledge. Mean that total our SBS spoken 36 chapter. But one and only main chapter is ninth one chapter. And for completing ninth one chapter, I think for completing ninth one chapter 15 or 20 days. And in that ninth one chapter, active voice, passive voice, how should construct the sentences, and suffix s or es to verb. So much in the ninth one chapter.
Okay, so you're now you are comfortable in the speaking, writing, reading in English.
Yes, sir. Yes.
What's your opinion to all watcher your video to students? Please give your opinion.
Here, listen at all student. I want to give one message. If you are weak in English, because before 4 months I was also weak in English. Then after that, my friend said to me, Aniket, please go to SBS. Then I was come to SBS. Then after that, I made English speaker. Now you also weak in English. Then if you come the SBS, then after within 4 months, only within 4 months, you made English speaker. This is my 100% guarantee, sir. Clap.
Yes. Nice suggestion you have given to look at students and people. Okay, yes, thank you for